Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a single workbook and a table named Trades. Include date, ticker, size, entry, exit, P/L, fees, and notes. Once done, lock your time zone and position sizing rule, for example, 1% risk per trade, so data stays consistent. Make sure to format entry and exit as numbers and date as a date type. This lets Excel calculate durations and P/L automatically. You are taking the first actionable step toward repeatable record keeping now. Now automate your sheet with formulas so you stop typing manual math. You add P/L equals, exit entry, asterisk size fees, and percent return equals P/L/ entry asterisk size as columns. Use IFR to avoid errors and conditional formatting to color wins green and losses red. Once done, create helper columns for duration, trade type, and running equity. These feed charts and summaries. Make sure to use structured references, table column, so formulas copy down cleanly when new trades are added. Finish by building summary stats and visualizations, a pivot for win rate and monthly P/L, plus an equity curve and return distribution chart to spot bias. Once done, link those summaries to your table so they update automatically. Make sure to save a backup and use data validation for tickers to prevent typos. If things go wrong, check date formats and convert text numbers. Also inspect hash value or broken references. Repairing these fixes most calculation failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.